Hey guys, I'm back with another watch unboxing and review. So I have a variety of watches, but recently I was just yearning for something that's more modern, something that's more cool. As you can see, I have some Citizen watches right here, even the Nike Triax. That's a collector's item right there. They don't make it anymore. And just some budget ones, such as a skinny one. So today I am going to take a look at the Casio G-Shock line of watches, specifically the GA-100 line of models. So let's go ahead and get started. So you probably ask, what am I wearing? I'm wearing a ProMaster Navihawk AT pilot watch. All right, so it comes in this simple box, nothing too extravagant. I'm actually a little bit bummed out by that. I mean, considering G-Shock watches aren't I would say the most affordable. All right, so you get this tin can. Okay, looks all right now. Okay, and I do appreciate they put the instruction manual. Some of them they make you download it. Okay, I mean, this is like the warranty card and all that good stuff. And of course the oh, this is a thick manual, man. This is going to take a while to read all this. All right, so it's probably protected. Definitely appreciate that. Take it out of here. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce to you the Casio G-Shock GA-100B-7A G-Shock watch. This is the white and black variant. So you're probably wondering, for those of you who are new to the G-Shock series such as I am, what's so special about a G-Shock line of watches, man? Why do I see so many people wearing them? First of all, G-Shock is their upper echelon of watches. Not just your, like not the Casio watches that we know that's cheap, like 20 or 30 bucks. These are like the collector's brand because these have been designed to resist mechanical stress, shock, and vibration in the toughest elements. Now, this features 200 meters, 660 feet of water resistance. It has auto LED, world time, 5 daily alarms, 1 to 100th second stopwatch that features 100-hour timing, countdown timer, full auto calendar, 12 and 24-hour format, and it weighs only 6.38 ounces. Many colorways to choose from. I think they have camo, anything you can name. I think they've outdone themselves. So this is look at the straps. You get a double loop strap right here. Here's what the back casing looks like. Okay, held in by 4 screws. I really love them, this blue accent. So the watch itself uses quartz movement. The case diameter is 51.2 millimeters. The case thickness is 16.9 millimeters. And the band width is 29.4 millimeters. All right, so as you can see, now I have to admit, guys, this is a monstrosity of a watch, not because it's a little bit oversized, but because there are a lot of functions in here. It takes quite a bit to understand. So I definitely recommend referencing the manual or watching videos on how to use it, because it does take some time to learn, but have faith. All right, so you see the adjust button right here, the mode button, reverse and forward. This also doubles as the light. This is forward, reverse, where you would use to go up and down the time, and also selections such as choosing the city, the home city. Now you see so many windows on this casing. So this one right here, this gives you the mode, such as for the alarm and the timer. And these two shows you the speed, average speed, which is used for when you do the timer, it calculates the speed. So here you see the time and also the alarm. Here's where you see the city and also the second, and also the date. All right, and you see the analog, which corresponds, syncs in with the digital. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started on how to set the time. To adjust the time, hold down the adjust button for 3 seconds. Okay, and you have to make sure you're in the time menu. All right, so here's where we will select the city. You can go forward and down. There are a lot of cities to choose from. My home city is the West Coast, so I must select LAX. You just have to scroll through it until you find your home city. All right, now I got to LAX. All right, and then I'm going to press the mode to select the hour. And here is where you have daylight savings time. You can have it on and off. I'm going to prefer to have it on because I live in the US and they have daylight savings in the West Coast. All right. And then automatic adjust. You see how it's rotating the analog mechanical timer to make it correspond with the digital time because it recognizes I believe it's atomic timekeeping. Okay, so we have 12:42. I'm checking with my computer. Yes, 12:42 p.m. in the Pacific Northwest, Seattle specifically. And if you were to change the minutes and hours manually, you would do it similar style. But once you are done with that, you hit the adjust to make the final confirmation. But because my automatic changes to the time I want, it's pretty much good to go. All right, next we have the 100-hour stopwatch. There are various modes such as split, lap modes that you can tack onto. So it's quite complicated. So let me go ahead and get to the stopwatch mode. Okay, here's stopwatch right here. Okay, so it defaults to split time. One press starts it. See, so I believe this stopwatch is 1,000 timekeeping up to 100 hours. So stop right there. You see how that rotates, and then adjust to reset it. So it's just simple use of this stopwatch. I do want to show you that pressing the forward button shows you the date. You can alternate between the time, and the specific date. All right, so here's the world time. One press of the forward button gives you the city and the corresponding dates. I meant the corresponding time. See? I think that's Bangkok. Hong Kong, I think. I don't know. Taipei. See? That's awesome. Tokyo time. All right. Lastly, let's go through the alarm. And by the way, it has a countdown timer too. I'm not gonna get into detail on that. It works similar to the stopwatch. And by the way, that was the Mach speed that it shows you. Oh, there's the world time. Here's the alarm. See, it has 4 billion alarms. I think it has one snooze button. Okay, so we are going to go to, let's see the snooze. Even have whatever the signal one is. So, like I said, this isn't comprehensive how to do everything because it takes a while to learn it. So let's go ahead and set the alarm is similar to setting the clock. I just want to see how loud it sounds. So let's go ahead and set that. All right, I have alarm 1 set to 12:50. All right, there's the alarm, 12:59. This is how loud it sounds. One press can snooze it to quiet it down. And to turn the alarm on and off, press the adjust button. All right, lastly, Of course, you need a light, right? This is a watch. Press the reverse button, it doubles as a light. Look how beautiful it shines, lights it. So you can also set the timer where you can have it to, I think, 1 second to 3 seconds, and also have it auto on and off. Check it out. This has an auto light function similar to raise to wake on smartwatches. You hold down a light button or the reverse button for more than 3 seconds. Okay, so let's say you wear it, flip it up. See that? How awesome is that? Raise to wake. Let's see how this looks like in the dark. But first, I need to take off my Citizen Echo Drive Pro Master Navihawk Pilot Watch. Beautiful watch, by the way. Look how awesome this is. Yeah, a lot of stuff right here. In fact, this is probably less complicated than this. All right, let's see how this fits on my wrist. I've been yearning for a G-Shock for quite a while. And I really like how the white really stands out. It makes it really shine. Right there. Thick bands. Okay, feels sturdy on my wrist. What do you guys think? Looks nice? Look at that. I really love the buttons. It's got these grooves on there. Makes it easy to hold and adjust. It's looking real nice. And I really love the raised bevel. Kind of like a screen protector, like a phone protector. So it's going to be hard to scratch the surface of this unless it, hit it by a rock or something. I think all watches need to be has a raised edges to prevent scratches or minimize scratches. All right, here we go. Oh, it does have a little bit glow in the dark capability. Check it out. Yeah, I'm gonna need to adjust the timer to 3 seconds, but that is nice looking. But I do notice that's you can't really read the numbers that well, probably because of the black lighting. So what is my final verdict of this Casio G-Shock GA-100 watch? I'm really loving it. I'm falling in love with the style. Now I know why people love the G-Shock model. It's definitely a collector's item, and just show off your own uniqueness and with all the high-tech features. It can take a while to understand, but once you understand it, it's quite an impressive watch that you can take with you anywhere, out in the wilderness or even in the modern city. So if you're looking for an impressive watch that's dressed to impress, definitely give the Casio G-Shock GA-100 model, brand, a look.